Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to cancel your Epidemic Sound subscription. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to the bottom left, click on your profile, and then go ahead over to your account. Right here, just click on it. And then once done, tap away, and then find your current subscription. And at the bottom of that, we have Manage Subscription. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it. And then once done, you can go ahead and change the plan from here or cancel the subscription. So as you can see here, this account currently have the trial version. So just go ahead and click on this option if you want it. Now, as you can see, you still have this days to bring your stories to life. If you want to use it until it ends, well, you got to use it. And just make sure into 29th day, okay, you cancel your subscription so that you won't be charged again. So as you can see here, it got this message, continue with trial. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And as you can see, we have this option to continue with cancellation. So go ahead and grab that option. And as you can see here, it will ask you what is the reason why you wanted to leave Epidemic Sound. So for example, maybe I can't find the sound I need, or you can't find the music you need, or I am missing a functionality. So just go ahead and grab that option if you want it, and then add in your message if you want to. If not, you can just leave it as it is optional. And then once that's done, would you like to consider subscribing to Epidemic Sound again? Yes, not sure, or no. Okay, so go ahead and click on Confirm Cancellation. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will now say your trial is canceled. Here's all you need to know. Auto renewal is turned off. You have 27 days left to publish content. Okay, so you can still be able to use it until your subscription expires. And published content is safe forever. Any content published by this date will be safe from copyright claims even after the subscription expires. All right, now once that's done, you can now then go ahead and click on Take Me to the Music. And after that, you can now then go ahead and close this one and forget it. That's how simple it is to cancel an Epidemic Sound subscription. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.